Today we're going to talk about how to write a thesis statement. Learning how to write an essay is one of the most important skills you learn as an English student. When you write a strong essay, you are showing that you can not only write clearly, but that you have interesting ideas and can think critically as well. The most important part of an essay, and where you really show off your ideas, is the thesis statement. A thesis statement is a one-sentence explanation of your essay that states the point of your essay and tells the reader what it will be about. Every thesis statement is made up of two essential parts, a topic and a claim. The topic is pretty easy to understand. It's the topic of your essay, like Billy Joe from Out of the Dust, or maybe Release if your essay is on the giver. The claim is where you make your point, or state your opinion about your topic. Let's look at some examples. If I'm writing an essay about Out of the Dust, and have chosen to write about Billy Joe's actions throughout the book, my thesis statement might be, Billy Joe's grief causes her to act selfishly. The topic of this statement is Billy Joe's grief, and my claim, my point or opinion about her grief, is that it causes her to act selfishly. Or perhaps I am writing an essay about Release in The Giver. My thesis statement might read, Release is cruel and is used to control the members of Jonas's community. The topic of this thesis statement is Release, and my claim is that it is cruel and used to control the community. So how do you write your own thesis statement? The easiest way to write a thesis statement is to simply take the question you have been asked and answer it. For example, let's take the question, why is Ms. Clark important in students' lives? The question is asking about Ms. Clark, so that becomes your topic. Your claim is therefore going to be about why she is important to students. That's what the prompt is asking you to answer. I know what you're thinking right now. Oh my gosh, there are so many reasons. What will I choose? She inspires students to work hard, values my opinions, has a sense of humor of a middle schooler, wears awesome scarves, and is clearly a super cool person outside of school, and is basically my hero. That's a lot of reasons. I get it. It can be overwhelming. But here's what you're going to do. Choose a claim that you can talk about and analyze for at least 3 paragraphs. While Ms. Clark's scarves are pretty awesome, there's not a lot to talk about there. So let's go with inspiring students. Here's our thesis statement. Ms. Clark is important because she inspires students. Or, if you want to kick it up a notch and break away from using the words of the prompt, you can say, Ms. Clark inspires her students. This seems like it's going to be a fascinating essay. Let's try another example. Let's go with one that I know every student has strong feelings about. The prompt is, should homework be banned in California schools? Banning homework is the topic. To figure out your claim, your point or argument, you need to think about your own opinions on homework. For this example, let's say you are not a fan of homework and believe it should indeed be banned because it is basically your teacher's way of torturing you. Here's your thesis. Homework is torture for students and should be banned. So to review, your topic is homework, and your claim is torture for students and should be banned. There you go. That's all there is to writing a thesis statement, a topic, and a claim.